The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, power passenger seat, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, keyless entry, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, keyless start, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, rear defrost, CD player, power door locks. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.